Hello everyone! It's Stefano here and I teach Italian on italki.com. Today I'm going to give you a few tips to improve your reading skills in Italian. I'm sure most of you think that reading is one of the best ways to learn a language. And it actually is. Reading will help you to better understand grammar rules, language pattern, and of course, lots of new words. Sometimes though, reading can be hard and boring if you're not choosing the right thing. So let's understand what are the things you have to do to get the most out of your reading activities. Tip number 1. Don't read children books. Everyone thinks that if you are a beginner, you should start reading children books because they're supposed to be easy. Well, you're wrong. They can be extremely hard. Plus, the vocabulary used is targeted for native children, and I'm sure you don't need to learn that. I am totally fluent in English, but I think I'd still struggle in reading children books. So no need to read them, unless of course you would like to read Cappuccetto rosso in Italian. Tip number 2. Opted out for a novel? Then you should review passato remoto. Passato remoto is a type of past that is barely used in spoken Italian, unless in a few southern regions like Sicily or Puglia. I actually don't even teach passato remoto to my students, but if you would like to read a novel in Italian, even Harry Potter, for example, or Harry Potter, the way we would pronounce it in Italian, you should learn passato remoto. For example, the passato remoto of essere is io fui, tu fosti, lui, lei fu, noi fummo, voi foste, loro furono. You don't need to know it all, nor know all the verbs in passato remoto, but at least try to understand how it works and how it's formed so that you can understand what verb it is and consequently figure out the meaning. Tip number 3. Highlight all the new words and expressions you don't know in a book and write them down. Before looking them up, try to understand what the meaning is by the context. It's a very good exercise for your mind and will help you to memorize new words more effectively. If you still struggle though understanding some words or expressions in a book, you should discuss them with a teacher on italki.com. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the italki YouTube channel for more tips on learning Italian. Take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description box below. Ciao!